Have a little problem here. Whenever I get the duct tape or the paracord out, I know I'm going to be repairing something. My Deus 1 remote case is pretty much just gone. It's a goner. There's a magnet right here and a magnet right here, and that's what holds it closed when I have it under my chin. When I'm metal detecting, I do not have it on the shaft, this remote. I have it underneath my chin here on my collar. And this is just seeing better days, right? It's been wet many times. It's been bent back and forth here. And I do not want this, detector flopped over like that when I'm hunting, because it exposes it to the elements and I cannot hear it. I want that speaker out in the open. I want that speaker to be facing this way, right? I don't want it to be facing towards my body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some paracord here. Just go like this. And I'm going to strap it like this, right? Yes, I could use a rubber band, but rubber bands do not last, and I want something to last. I know paracord lasts a long. It is very durable. This paracord is very durable. And I can adjust this paracord however size I want. You know what I'm saying here? So it'll hold it open, because it's clipped right here to my shirt. And if I just get this tight enough here, it should work. You know what I'm saying here? Right there. Right there. I'll just cut it right there. I am the cheapest bastard on earth. I don't want to go out and buy a new case, right? This case still works. But if I can make it go another couple years, I've had this thing for probably 3 or 4 years. But, so what I'll do is I'll just melt that. I brought out 2 lighters just in case one fails. Here, yeah, I cannot do that frickin'. The safeties, those frickin' safety things on there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna frickin' hurt myself. I don't want to break my scissors. I got a screwdriver in my back pocket here. So, like that right there. It's gone. I mean, it's gone. Safeties. I'll try this later too. I found both these lighters. I cannot see this flame here, so I don't want to burn myself. So what I'll do is I'll just melt these two together. I'll just catch them on fire. Here, I'll use this lighter. Just catch these two on fire here. I don't want to get burned either. Okay. And then just attach them just like so. Just like so. Just squeeze them together like that. Super strong connection. I'll just wait a second before I pull on it. Give it a test here. This paracord's extremely tight like this. When you very, very durable right there. And watch, I'll just connect it. Cool it off here, right? Really strong, very strong. So, just like that. I'll go just like this. It's gonna be a little bit tight at first. And if it doesn't, if it's too tight, I can just make a new one. I can make a new one. So it is going to be a little bit too tight right there. I'll try to stretch it out a little bit here. You just can't stretch this stuff, right? So I made it just a little tiny bit too tight there. I think that should work, right? So I'll just, yeah. Just, I'll make 2 of them. How about that? I'll make 2 of them. I'll make this one as my backup one. Right there. See? It'll hold it. It'll hold it. Once I... Just gonna cut it off there, right? Just gonna do it. Right? So I'll make another one as a backup. So I'll just carry this somewhere for a little while. So I'll make another one here. See how easy they are to make? That way I don't have to spend 20 bucks on a new freaking remote case, right? It's just not needed. It's just I don't want to waste my money on that stuff, right? So make this one just a little tiny bit looser. Just like that. Okay? Now let's try this one. You guys getting all this stuff? This is good stuff, man. Right here. Save you guys some money. All right. I don't know how many people use the remote like this, like I do, though. Most people who I see using the Deus, they have their remote on the shaft. And they're looking at their numbers and stuff. I don't look at my numbers. Right. Like this, just put them right together like that. Just fuses it right together, man. Get them nice and tight there. And kind of like that. See that? Nice tight bond there. Cool it down before I start pulling on it. Right. Custom made by Paystreak Superfreak right here, man. This one's a little bit looser, but this one's a lot better. I like this one much better. All right, so this one will be my backup one. You know, yeah, this one will be my backup one. Yeah, I could start making these for people and start selling them. No, just kidding. But what I'll do is I'll melt the end there so it doesn't start coming out. Just like so. Just like that. See that? Right there, man. Just saved myself 20 bucks, man. Right there, dude. Boom. If I need to adjust my Deus remote here. This is just work in progress here, right? Boom. I can see it. Might take me a little bit of doing to get used to putting this back on there. I might not be able to do it with my gloves there without looking at it. I'll get used to it. But what am I going to do with this magnet right here? I don't know. I'll check it out. I'll just cut this off here. I'll leave it on there. Might use it for checking my targets or something. So I like having a magnet on here, but there's still a magnet right here. Right there, there's still a magnet right there. So but I'm not gonna be able to use that magnet right there now. It's gonna pretty much yeah. Right there, it's a strong magnet. Yeah. Just get used to me putting this on there without me looking. I'm not looking at it right now. It's going to be really tough to do that without looking. But I just saved myself 20 bucks, man. Yeah. If I can save you guys 20 bucks, I'm going to do it. It's kind of ugly, but it's really not about fashion when we're out there metal detecting. It's about function. Thank you for watching.